Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set screen on animation in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Now press on Dynamic Effects. Now click on Screen On-Off Animation. From here, you can select your screen on animation. That's it. So this is how to set screen on animation in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.